To get a duplicate driving license number if lost, follow these steps. First, report the loss to the local police station and obtain a copy of the report as it will be required for further procedures. Next, visit the regional transport office where your original license was issued and fill out the application form for a duplicate license. You will need to provide required documents such as proof of identity, age, and residence, along with the police report. You will also need to pay the prescribed fee for a duplicate license, which may vary depending on the state or region you are in. After submitting the application, you will be required to go through the verification process, which may include a verification of your documents and a confirmation of your identity. Once the verification is complete, your duplicate license will be issued, and you can collect it from the regional transport office. It is essential to note that the process may take some time, so it is recommended to apply for a duplicate license as soon as possible to avoid any inconvenience. It is also important to keep in mind that the process and requirements may vary depending on the state or region you are in, so it is recommended to check with the local transport authority for specific requirements and procedures. By following these steps and providing the required documents, you can easily obtain a duplicate driving license number if your original one is lost. Remember to always keep your driving license safe and secure to avoid the hassle of applying for a duplicate.